Avisala Eshma. For today's video, pupunta kami ng Bangkok, Thailand. So yun na guys, pagdating namin ng Terminal 2, sumakay kami ng bus papuntang Terminal 1 kasi doon ang flight namin sa Terminal 1 papuntang Bangkok, Thailand!
On Philippine Airlines Frontier 7A to Mount Fairmont.
I'm choosing the in-seat charging port.
Your armrest on water.
Welcome to Thailand! Go. 7-Eleven sa Thailand. Open the door. Open the door. Shala sliming door dito guys. Nag-grocery yung mga person sa 7-Eleven. Nag-take out kami ng food. At binigyan kami ng mga sauce. Good night guys. See you tomorrow.